So we're off to Frinton today, the seaside. And Oliver's had his hair cut. Show us your hair. Turn to the side. Lovely. Looks really cool, doesn't it? And we've got Honey in the car, haven't we?
Yeah, just Honey.
And let's show you Honey, if you can see her down there. A bit dark. And she is excited to go out, isn't she?
And she's gonna dig on the.
She's gonna dig on.
And she's a bulldog. And she's a cocker spaniel.
She's a border terrier cocker spaniel, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah? So the sun's out, but it keeps going a bit cloudy. So we've got our jackets just in case. Yep. So say see you there.
Bye. See you there. Bye. Stay awesome, kids.
It's a nice Oliver.
Yeah. Is yours nice?
I've eaten mine.
What was yours nice?
Lovely. Thank you.
Ice cream. Open this. Should we open this for the dog? I don't know. The dog. Grab. Open it. Open it.
Oh, do darling. Breezy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we are at the beach in Frinton, and it's a gorgeous day. Really lovely. Warm with a bit of a breeze. Show you the children.
Kick it. Oliver, kick it.
You kick it. It's easy. And that's my dad.
Look, I want to show you something. If you do this and then you spin your hand like that, it makes
know
Oh,
that.
did you know that? No, you
I
didn't.
know that, yeah.
Did she?
Here it is.
Hey, Lewis, please don't.
What we just like really go. Let's see you go to the front.
Go and join them, honey.
What?
I'm filming you.
What are you talking about?
So we've literally just bought Honey a ball for £1,
And that's what it comes out like.
and that's what it looks like now. 10 seconds,
Because our
was
dog
it?
ripped it.
Chewed it up.
Seriously.
You might as well have it now, honey.
So that's the end of my video.
Nice.
Bye. Subscribe to my channel and big thumbs up. Bye.